So in this session, we'll basically be setting up our WooCommerce so that our e-commerce flows can work perfectly. So you just need to get to WooCommerce and click on settings, and here you would we can start setting up our WooCommerce settings so that our checkout would work perfectly. So first of all, of course, you need to change your country to the country you'll be selling from. So in our case, it's Lagos, Nigeria. We'll be selling to all countries. You also need to change the currency to Naira. The currency position is fine at left. You can add or remove decimal separators here and add the number of decimals after your separator. So for this, I just added 0. So you want to save changes. So for products, you want to make sure that your shop page is set correctly here, right? So it's already added for us. We have shop page here. You also want to make sure that you either enable, if you don't want product reviews, you can uncheck this and then we can save changes. So shipping, we're going to skip shipping because we won't be going into the details of shipping in this video. So next we're going to go to payment, right? So we want to set up payments for our e-commerce website. So I already chose direct bank transfer. So you just click to enable it here. Make sure you check it. Title is direct bank transfer. This is a description that you can add. Make your payment directly into our bank account. Please use your order ID as a payment reference. Your order will not be shipped until the funds have cleared in our account. So you can also add an instruction like this to help people ensure that their payments are confirmed. And then you add an account name here. You could send your account number and your bank name and you save the changes. So also accounts and privacy. You also want to see how people are going to be signing in when they need to create an account during checkout. So you can enable guest checkout here. It's recommended. Also, you can enable login during checkout so people can sign in to their account if they've previously created an account. They can also create an account during checkout. They can send like set password as the case may be during checkout. So you want to do all that and you want to save changes. So then we move on to emails. We want to ensure that all your emails in terms of new order, cancelled order, whatever is happening in your e-commerce store is being documented and recorded. So you will be receiving notifications based on what's happening with your order and the likes here. So you want to make sure that this this these actions on the site is being sent to the correct recipient. So you can look through this and you can always change the email here. All right. And you can also tweak the content of the email here. Okay, so let's head back to the email settings. So downward, you can also tweak the color of your email to work with your brand color as done here. You can also add a link to the header image that you want to appear in your email template as well, and then you click on save here. So next we're going to ignore integrations and advance, and then we're going to continue to complete other settings on our payments. So in terms of payments, we've also talked about the fact that we're going to be integrating Flutterwave for direct payments on the website. So you just need to select Flutterwave here and then you click on manage. So for Flutterwave to work, you need to add the API keys. You need to add Flutterwave API keys. And to be able to do that, you need to create an account on Flutterwave. So it's very easy to do so. But you need to note that for this, you also need to know that for the sake of this tutorial, we are going to be working with test keys. So if you want to work with live keys, of course, you want to receive payment on your site, you're going to need live keys, and then you need to ensure that your account is approved by Flutterwave. So once you have created an account on Flutterwave, you just simply navigate to your dashboard, and then you go to settings. Under settings, you see API keys, and here you can see the public key. So you copy the public key and paste in the test public key input here, and then same thing, you copy the secret key and then you paste in the test secret key input here. So once that is done, you just click on save. All right, and that is it. Your website is now linked to Flutterwave. So once your account has been approved by Flutterwave, you're going to see that your account will now be on live mode, and the keys here will change. So you will now need to replace the test keys with your live keys. All right. So let's head back to our website. So now that we are done setting up WooCommerce, the next thing we're going to work on is customizing our checkout and also our cart pages.